In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Forza Horizon 5 with keyboard and mouse on Xbox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can easily use a keyboard and mouse combo for Forza Horizon 5. You will be able to connect a keyboard and mouse combo to any Xbox console, so new-gen Xbox Series X or S, or old-gen Xbox One, and you will be able to play through the entirety of Forza Horizon 5 using those peripherals. So all that you have to do is look on the back of your console or the front, depending on the model, and you will be able to find the USB ports. Usually, you will plug the keyboard into one of these USB ports and the mouse on another. You don't have to plug them in any specific port or order. Just make sure that they are getting detected. As long as you connect the keyboard and mouse to any of the available USB ports on your console, you will be able to open the game and everything should be good to go. See if you can navigate through the menus using the mouse. Now, if you are not able to use the mouse yet, then you either have to go over to the device settings inside of the game and change the input there, or this could mean that the keyboard and mouse combo that you are using is not working properly and they aren't being detected. Usually, you don't have to change anything inside of the options, but like I mentioned, if you believe that your keyboard and mouse are being detected, but they don't work, then take a double check at the settings. And as long as the input is being properly detected and selected in these settings, you will be good to go. You will be able to adjust the sensitivity, get inside of arrays, and start using them. So the mouse is going to be used primarily for browsing through the menus, moving the camera, and so on. And you can use the buttons on your keyboard to actually drive around, move the car, and all that sort of stuff. They should be detected natively, and like I mentioned, it is going to work for old gen or new gen consoles. So just make sure that they are getting detected by your console. They can be wired or wireless peripherals. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Forza Horizon 5 with keyboard and mouse on Xbox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching!